Hey guys, how's it going today? This is Crazy Ron. I'm sorry about my last two videos. I noticed that they somehow went sideways. But anyways, I'm back. It's been a while since I posted a video. I've been having problems with my Wi-Fi. But it's back on now, and I'm going to post a couple videos if I can. Here's the first video. The UFO was intercepted by a Russian helicopter. It says underneath, it says it's a police helicopter in the description. It does not say it here, but it does say it in the description. Well, no further ado, I'd like to show you some pretty amazing video. Here we go. Is that amazing? And this is recorded somewhere in some remote location in Russia by a police headquarters helicopter. It almost looks so amazing. They slowed down the footage here for you. The noise you hear is the helicopter blades. I'd like to thank you for coming back and watching Eyewitness Encounters of the Third Kind. Please subscribe. And send me videos if you have any of your own. If you'd like to have interviews and show me videos, just give me a call or contact me on my Facebook page or email, and I'll get back in contact with you. But I just had to show you this amazing footage. They show this over and over again. Well, like I said, this is Crazy Ron, Eyewitness Encounters of the Third Kind. Tune in next time with more amazing footage.